All right, let's look at how I make my salsa. So these are all the ingredients that we're gonna need. Some cilantro and onion, some franks, some jalapenos, bell pepper, tomatoes, cumin, coriander, lime juice, pepper, salt, cutting board. So let's start by cutting up some of these jalapenos. Gloves are important when you're dealing with jalapenos. I'll tell you what, way harder than it should have been. All right, slice these up. I'm trying to decide. Sometimes I'll leave the seeds in, sometimes I take them out. Depends on whether I'm in a hurry or not. So I think we'll take them out this time. Ooh, that capsaicin's already strong on these. Just add half the bell pepper now. We'll add the other half in a minute. Oh, I forgot the garlic. I forgot the garlic, one of the main ingredients of this stuff. We want about 12 cloves of garlic, so almost a whole garlic bulb, or pretty much a whole one. If you like less garlic, then use less garlic. Put all this garlic in there. Don't need those gloves anymore now. All right, so now we'll go to mixing. Now we're just gonna throw this whole bunch in here. We're gonna process this to get it nice and blended together. Now we're gonna add some onion. Only need about, not even half of this, unless you're a very big onion fan. Should have added the onion before I started the blending, but that's all right. We'll add some now. I'm gonna add about that much for now. Yeah, you wanna get that really nice and blended well. Because the next step you're gonna do is, we're gonna make it a little bit with some chunks. Doesn't have to be a lot of chunks, but just a little bit of chunks, so it has some heft to it. All right, add the rest of our cilantro, the rest of our tomatoes. All right, so now we seasoned it up. Add some kosher salt. Some ground black pepper. Coriander. A good bit of ground cumin. And then some Frank's Red Hot sauce. Maybe about a quarter cup. Depends on how spicy you want it. And just a squirt of lime juice. Now we're going to blend this real quick. Get that cilantro kind of chopped up. Now we're going to add the rest of our veggies here. Just pulse this and then check and see if it's the consistency you want. And then taste. A little bit more salt. Pulse. And we're done.